This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into your WordPress website step by step. First, you need to find your login page. Simply type your website's address into your browser, then add /wp-admin or /wp-login, PHP to the end of the URL. For instance, if your site is mywebsite.com, you would go to mywebsite.com/wp-admin. This will take you directly to the login screen. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for future convenience. Once you are on the login page, you will see two fields. The first field is for your username or email address, which you set up when your WordPress site was created. The second field is where you will enter your password. Make sure to type both carefully, paying attention to capitalization, as passwords are case-sensitive. Double-checking these details will help ensure a smooth login experience every time. Congratulations, you've successfully logged in. You are now viewing your WordPress dashboard, which is the control panel for your entire website. From here, you can create new content, manage existing pages, update plugins, and customize your site's appearance. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the left-hand navigation menu, where all your administrative options are neatly organized for easy access. To keep your WordPress site secure, always use strong, unique passwords that combine letters, numbers, and symbols. It's also wise to use a reliable password manager to store your login details securely. If you ever forget your password, don't worry. Simply click the Lost Your Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts, and you will receive an email with instructions to reset it, getting you back into your site quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.